What is going on, guys? How are y'all today? I hope you're doing good. Here, let me move this out of the way. Okay. Guys, I hope you're doing great. How is your day going? It is a wonderful day. It is the holiday season, which is always a plus. It is the 10th, and I turned 35 in 10 days. Woo-wee. Okay. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about how to set up a Facebook pixel in this video. It's a little short and sweet video. It's gonna be what I'm gonna start doing on Tuesdays is I'm gonna start doing what I call the 5 minute blasters. Just kidding. Might be like Tech Tuesdays or 2 minute Tuesdays or I don't know. Probably 2 minute Tuesdays or 10 minute Tuesdays or something Tuesdays. It's gonna be short and sweet about the Facebook pixel today, though. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about how to get to the Facebook pixel and how to set it up and what it does. Okay. So let's get it going. Oh yeah. With that being said, here we go. All right. All right. Go to business.facebook.com. All right. And what I want you to do is you're going to have two business pages just like this. Like on your normal Facebook page, you're going to go down here and you're going to have business manager. Okay. So you're going to have two there. All right. Guys, if you haven't checked out my Marketing Funnel Master Facebook group, go ahead and go to Marketing Funnel Master and find this right here. And guys, check me out. Add yourself, please. Go ahead and get on here. Let's. I give value on here every day. A lot of the videos I record get put on here, but also as you see right here, I have Gary Vee on here also. So a lot of this stuff on here is new. I had a rant right here about how the world's kind of screwed up. But all right, on to these. Okay, so business.facebook.com. All right, and what we're gonna do is if you haven't created a business yet, just go ahead and hit create business. Go through here and go ahead and set up your business. It's real easy. I actually have another video on my thing, how to create a business on the Business Manager. Once you do that, go ahead and click what business you want to run. This is an e-com store. This is my business I want to run from. So what we're gonna do, we are going to we're gonna go over here and we're gonna go to business settings. All right, remember business settings. If you want to know what's going on, you can click events manager. And what I mean by going on, like what you got running. I clicked that, it didn't work. All right, so it goes right here, and you'll see your data sources, which are your pixel. You have your custom conversions, and you'll have your partner. So we can take you through all this right here. It shows you. See, I got my pixel there from my data sources. It'll show your offline events and stuff like that, and then it also shows your app events. Okay, we're not doing anything other than this pixel. I created this yesterday just to test it. So as you see right here, I got 3 little events on there. But we're gonna go back. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly how to build your Facebook pixel. Go to business settings. Okay. In your settings, what you're going to do is you're going to go down here, go to data sources. You're going to click that right there, and you're going to go pixels. All right. All right. So what you want to do is you want to go. You want to go here and hit add. Okay. Sorry, I was seeing if there's a way I could show you how to add a page, but there's not possible right here. So hit add. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to name this pixel. So let's call it test pixel. Okay. And then you're going to, for this is optional. Okay. This is like if you want to set it up on your website itself, you can do that there. I'm going to be showing you how to set it up on ClickFunnels. Okay. So you're going to hit continue here. So we're not going to worry about ClickFunnels. We're going to continue. You can either continue managing your business right now, and it says you can set up your pixel later in this section, but we're not doing that right now. We're going to set up the pixel now. Okay, so complete the process. You can add a code for a partner integration. What that means is, like, say you're running a company's Facebook ads and you want to use their, you want to go into their ads and be able to do everything for them, but say you don't work for them in general, they can send you this code, or you can send it a code. Like, say you work for a company or you were doing something, you could take that code and send it to them, and then you integrate with them. So basically that way you don't have to like go to their business and stuff like that. You can do it straight from where you're at. Okay. You can do the manual code, is which what we're going to do. And then you can email instructions to a developer if you want them to write some different code. Like it says, if you don't have direct access to your site's code, send instructions and documentation to your technical support. So basically, like say you wanted somebody to work on this for you, but you couldn't get into their stuff, or you're doing work for somebody else and you couldn't get into their stuff. What you would do is you would just go ahead and email that to a developer. And what it would do is, if you see right there, it sends instruction documentation to technical support. Be sure to include the Pixel ID. Okay, the Pixel ID is actually this right here, right above it. I'll show you here in a second. I don't know if I can move this. No, I can't move it. But that's the Pixel ID. It is right there. But I'll show you in just a second. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this right here. Okay, we want to manually. We're just gonna click that right there and copy it to our clipboard. We're gonna turn on automatic advanced matching. So use information that your customers already have provided in your business, such as your email address, your phone numbers, to match your website visitors to people who are on Facebook. What this does is it takes email stuff, phone numbers, anything that you have on customers that you use that visit your website or your ClickFunnels or anything that you're tagging this code in. And what it does is it creates and it makes, it tags all the people like that, and it creates an audience or sees that audience. So they know, as you see right here, it says, this can help you attribute more conversions to your ad, because what it does is it takes their email address, their phone numbers, or matches their website visitors to people who are on Facebook. So basically, it finds other people like the people that you already have as customers. Okay. What you want to do right here is you're going to test that base code. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to ClickFunnels. Okay. And I've already put code in here. So what we're going to do is go to another funnel. Let's go to we'll just test this one right here. Actually, no, we're not going to test that one right there because it's not live. Let's go to this one right here. Okay. What we're going to do is go over here. And you're going to put this code that you got from Facebook in the pixel code, okay? The one you got. Don't tell me that disappeared. It did disappear, didn't it? Okay, I know how to get back to it. Don't worry. We're going to go back over here. Nope, that's not what I want. Go back over here. Sorry. Okay, and we're going to put that code that we just copied, and we're going to put it right there, okay? As you see right there in your Facebook pixel code, okay? All right, you see how it's right there? You're going to go down to the very bottom, and you're going to hit Save and Update Settings. Guys, if you don't have ClickFunnels, I highly suggest getting ClickFunnels. Yes, I'm an affiliate of them, but I've been using them before I was an affiliate of them. And I've had them for close to 2 years now, and they've never disappointed me. It's a little steep in price compared to other lead generators, but you get a lot more for your buck than you do with the other lead generations. Like, you can create sales pages and all kinds of different stuff. You can create membership sites. You can create courses. You can create all kinds of different stuff with this. You can build websites with them. So it's very, very good. So don't, if you get a chance, if you want, I have a link that I can give you. It gives you a 14-day free trial. And then on top of that, I'll give you a course how to use ClickFunnels so you don't get confused. But on to bigger and better things. What we're going to do here is we saved it. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and go back over here, okay? And what we're going to do is go to Test Pixel right here. Hello. All right. Hello. All right. All right. So, how did I do this yesterday? I went here. And then I clicked, hold on. Yesterday I just clicked and it worked, but obviously today it doesn't want to work. All right. That's fine. I got a way to do this. It wants to mess with me. I got a way to do this. We're going to go right here. We're going to go to business settings. And we're going to go to data sources. We're going to go to pixels. And we're going to open Events Manager. I will say this, guys. It is a pain in the butt. Pain in the butt to get. You want to go to the Events Manager and go right here and click down and hit the text pixel. Okay, we got to finish setting it up. So same thing again. We already did that. I already did that. We shouldn't have to do another code, so we should just be able to take the link. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. We'll be able to take the link from here. All right. Oh, come on. There you go. Gotta take that link right there, and we should be able to go back to our Facebook pixel. Go right here. Okay. Hit that right there. And we're going to send test traffic. Okay. What we're going to do is hit that report right there. And we're going to watch the webinar now. We're not really going to watch the webinar. It's going to take you to that webinar. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here. And you see it's active now. Okay. So that's what we want. We want that pixel to be active. All right. So what you want to do now is hit continue. And this is right here. You can do that again if you want and open the website. Okay. And it's just going to do that right there. Now, basically what happens is you're connected. Now what you do is just go back. And then you can click out of here. You should be able to refresh this and it's live. If it's not, then we'll keep going. It was giving me no. Let's see here. It's active. We have it active. It may be 20 minutes for. Okay. You have no. We haven't received any activity from your pixel time frame. Complete the setup now. We have already completed the setup. So basically, what we should be able to do. We've already done all that. We don't need to do it again. As you see right here, it's active. And you go right here. So basically, you set that up. And then also, what you're going to be doing, if you want, you can just go back here again. And if you see right here, Facebook Events Tools, it has it right here. So there's no event set, but you can set up an event, select an event. You can do all this stuff right here. But this is stuff we'll get into later. Like if you want to do a lead, you can hit in the report again. And then what's going to happen is it's going to do this again. It's going to do this again. All right, let's close out of here, close out of here. And then we're just going to go right here. And we're going to get out of here because obviously you see that's happening. What's happening, guys, it takes a minute. As you see right there, it takes up to 20 minutes for it to show activity. I'm trying just to get it to show you so you know that it's working because it keeps saying that we haven't set it up. We have set it up. All right. I got an idea. What we're going to do is go over here and go to business settings again. Sometimes that thing just don't want to work, does it? We're going to go over here. We're going to go data sources again and click pixels. And we're going to go test pixel. Okay. All right. Now, what we're going to do now is go back to the events manager. Okay, we got this one. See, that one, this doesn't make any sense. Why? This is exactly what it did to me last night, guys, so I'm not like too upset about it. We can go right here and go right here, Facebook pixels. So we only got one right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here. We're going to go back to business settings. We're going to go back to pixels. I don't know why it does this. As you see right here, it's live. See, that one's not live. See, this one's live. So we should be hold on. I got an idea. So let's go. Let's go over here. Let's go here. Actually, no, let's not even go there. Hold on. Nope. We're going to go over here. We're going to go here. And we're going to go there. Okay. We're in here. So now I'm going to do this. What it's going to do, what the pixel does is going to show me that I'm going to all these different funnels. Okay. If you're wondering what it is. All right. I'm just trying to get it to show you some activity. That's all I'm trying to get it to do. I could care less because it's working. I obviously show you it's working. But it's for some reason not showing you events. So that's my big thing right now is I want to show you that it's doing something. Yep, no. Oh, well. All right. Well, guys, as you saw, it can take up to 20 minutes for it to act. But what you want to do, let me just show you guys one last time. Okay. I wanted to show you activity, but for some reason it's not showing me activity. Go over here, go to data sources, okay? You're going to go in here. If you haven't added a pixel, what you're going to do is go up here, click that, add the pixel, okay? You're going to hit that, hit continue. Then it's going to tell you to go through, and it's going to tell you how to manually add the code. I've already done that for you too. And then what you're going to do is just add it in there, okay? When you walk through, you want to go to that website wherever you pasted that code, okay? And you just want to test it, make sure it's active. Once you see it's active right here, actually, no, it's not. Once you see it's right here is active, it was active 5 minutes ago, okay? All right, we know that it's active. All right, I don't have to go back in here and do anything else, but we know it's active. If you're not getting any activity after like 20 minutes, then go back in and try to set up that pixel again, okay? And how you do that is just go to business settings, go to events manager, okay? What you're going to do from there is you're going to go Facebook pixels. Well, no, right here, sorry. You're going to you got test pixel right here. For some reason, it's still saying I have no recent activity. We haven't received any activity from your pixel in this time frame. Complete setup now to track website. I've completed the website. Hit that. No, I don't want to learn more. You boogers. I've copied that code. I've put it on. I've turned that on. As you see, it is active. Make sure your pixel base was coded correctly to send test traffic to your site. If the status is shown as active, your code has been installed correctly. This process may take several minutes. Okay, this is just an event setup. So basically what happens if somebody does what you've put in there, then that's what happens. Okay, but you see right here, it may take up to 20 minutes for events to be displayed here. Okay, so I just wanted to prove to you it is active. I do know what I'm talking about. It was making me look retarded, but all right, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope everything goes well. Okay, actually, okay. Well, guys, hope you enjoy it. I hope everything went well. I'm sorry if you have any more questions, just hit me up. I know that was a little confusing at the end because I was trying to show you what was going on, why I was doing what it's doing, and for some reason it doesn't want to show the activity. It does happen like that. Last night when I was testing it, just to make sure that I was going through here, I'm going to show you what it's doing. It did the same exact thing. I've never literally put a pixel in and started testing it with websites other than just to make sure that it was active. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Please hit subscribe and make sure you ring that notification bell. I'm going to try to literally post something every chance I can get. It might be every other day or every day. My thing is I'm going to try to do every other day because that way I'm putting out more consistent content and I'm staying on top of everything and I'm making sure everybody gets their stuff. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy this. I hope everything goes well and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.